Top 9 YouTube channel ideas that can make you millions in 2023. If you want to be included in the partner program, you need to have at least a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. Channel the YouTube audience to get sales. Once you start creating quality content for your audience, you'll create your subscriber base to become your future customers. You can ask them to take a specific action by clicking on your sales page or landing page. Whenever you launch a product or service, you can ask your audience to have a look at your new launch. It will create a sense of FOMO in the audience's minds, and it will help to channel your YouTube audience to your new product or service page. New associations. As soon as you solidify your presence in the YouTube space, you'll open the doors to new associations and business partnerships. Other brands will love to associate with leaders in the industry, so they'll choose you over your competitors. Now that we know how to generate new revenue sources for your business through YouTube, let's address the big fish in the ocean and understand all the top 9 YouTube channel ideas for you in 2023. 1. Vlogging. Vlogging is one of the easiest to kickstart your YouTube journey. You just need a recording device and shoot some of the interesting bits of your day and just interact with the camera. You can share your thoughts, opinions, new visits, and events, and just open up and showcase your world to the audience out there. But if you run a business channel, vlogging is something you add once or twice in your content calendar to showcase your workspace or a day at the office. This is because vlogging limits privacy and is ideal for individual brands on YouTube compared to a company brand. But on the positive side, it is a great way to engage people because your audience will love to see what's inside your workspace and how you operate daily as a business unit. As you can see in the example, a popular YouTube channel named Silicon Valley Girl is an entrepreneur and runs 3 channels on YouTube. In one of her vlogs, she gave a tour of her companies to engage the audience and give a glimpse of her business operations. 2. Unboxing. If you are into the product business, an unboxing channel can be a great idea. Unboxing new stuff is one of the big things on YouTube with high-end consumer electronics. Whenever a new product is launched, all the top unboxing channels receive a freebie from top companies to review and help market the product. The YouTube audience makes many buying decisions about what their favorite reviewer says about a particular product. If you want to create a brand and are rolling out new products now and then, you can include an unboxing video in your content calendar. It is not limited to electronic gadgets. Nowadays, people want a review on every product to buy, from food to garments. Unboxing is trending on YouTube. You can take inspiration for your content ideas and video script from one of the top unboxing channels like Unbox Therapy. With 18.1 million subscribers and close to 2,000 unboxing videos, there's no limit to the content ideas you'll get. 3. Video gaming. If your business is related to gaming and gaming products, including video gaming in your content is a must. The gaming industry is one of the biggest industries in the world, and on YouTube as well. There are tons of gamers streaming live and creating entertaining content for their audience. You can invite a popular gamer to your channel and do a popular game stream, including your product. Or just create gaming content like the Red Bull Gaming channel. You know that Red Bull's primary business is not associated with the gaming industry. Still, they are the sponsors of Top Gamer Ninja. And here's the video they both collaborated for. 4. Tutorials. If you make the audience aware of different aspects of your industry, then having a tutorial channel is the ideal choice. It will provide immense value to your audience and also help you increase your engagement numbers. Helping your audience through various roadblocks make them your die-hard fans, and they'll be happier to do business with you than your rivals. Look at the example below. The Fitgo helps businesses boost their presence online. They are in the digital marketing industry. Here they can be found with content on how to make a YouTube banner. It helps people struggling with this aspect of digital marketing. 5. Cooking. If you are in the cooking industry, you should start a cooking channel and include a product or service now and then. It will help you to attract an audience interested in cooking and your potential customers. You can also pitch in some CTA at the end of your videos to look at all the ingredients or tools you used for making a particular dish. If you don't want to cook yourself, hire a chef or invite a renowned chef like Gordon Ramsay to your channel. Once you are an established YouTube business channel, you can take inspiration from some of the popular cooking channels for your content. Here's an example of how Gordon Ramsay, a popular chef, creates his YouTube cooking content. 6. Traveling. Traveling is one of the most interesting and exciting niches for any content creator on YouTube. It helps you cater to all the travel enthusiasts and adventurers on YouTube. If you have a business associated with the traveling industry, having a travel channel will help you attract your target audience. You can also collaborate with other travelers or create your traveling content on YouTube. If you have some products you want to sell, use them during your traveling videos to make the viewer aware. Here's an example of how Expedia creates its content and caters to YouTube's audience towards its business. 7. Photography and videography channels. Only a few in the world can capture moments in the most artistic form. You can be one of those creators. If you have a business focused on the photography or videography industry, you have the option to use your skills or product while creating YouTube content. Here's an example of how videographer Peter McKinnon has become one of the stars on YouTube with his photography and videography skills. Check out his content for some inspirational new ideas for your content. 8. Fitness channels. The fitness industry is on the verge of saturation. YouTube provides a perfect platform for businesses to stand apart from the rest and gain future customers by creating fitness-oriented content. If your business is related to the fitness world, you should start a fitness channel. Hire a trainer for all the content creation or do it yourself. It will help your content with the audience easily and leave a great impact on their minds. Here's an example of Chloe Ting, a fitness YouTuber who created her brand on YouTube and now has over 20 million subscribers and tons of business opportunities knocking on her doorstep. 9. Makeup channels. The makeup industry has been on the rise for a decade or so. But because of that, the competition is also rising. If your business is associated with the same industry, creating a makeup channel will help you boost your business growth. You can use your wide range of products on your channel or even associate with an influencer to try out your product range. If you are into the service business, you can showcase your talent on YouTube by making how-to videos, and it will turn out to be a great YouTube channel idea to make money and grow your business. Here's an example of a popular YouTube makeup artist, Nikki Tutorials. You can get a creative idea about her mixture of trending and evergreen content on the channel. She has over 13 million subscribers and provides great value to her audience. These are some of the top YouTube business channel ideas that can work wonders for you in 2023. No doubt there are a lot more ideas you can explore, but do think about these first. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.